To turn on or turn off airplane mode in Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, open settings, swipe up the screen, and then find settings. Okay, tap settings icon, select connections, scroll down connection screen, and then on airplane mode, tap switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. You can turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth in settings, or other methods from home screen or face watch screen. Swipe down and then find airplane mode icon, tap airplane mode icon until blue to turn on, or tap until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.